Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lailatul Munawwaroh. My from class 12 Stanford. Number absent 16. Natural phenomena of flooding. Flooding is a disaster which commonly happens in large and densely populated cities in Indonesia. The flood hits Jakarta very often and causes many victims. The processing of natural flooding is preceded by rain which falls to the surface of the earth. Then the rainwater is absorbed by the ground surface and flows to the lower flats. Instead, condition happens evaporation and the water appears to the surface of the land. On the other hand, the process of non-natural flooding is usually caused by bad habits of humans who do not care about the environment, such as littering that can make water flow clogged. Thank you.